In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arma Reforger with bots. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to configure a scenario in Arma Reforger with bots from opposing teams, if you would like to fight alongside these bots, and so on, you will be able to do so following the instructions that I gave you in this video. So for this, we are going to use the multiplayer functionality on PC because we will be hosting a one-player server. So you will have to host a server, but by doing this, you will be granted the game master privileges, which essentially allows you to spawn as many bots as you wish, and you can control them around, switch teams, and so on. So when you go to multiplayer, choose the host function at the top. Sadly, I am not sure if this is going to work for console. For console, you might have to purchase a dedicated server, but for PC, you can easily locally host a Arma Reforger server. So in here, choose the option to host a new server. Now you will see a bunch of settings. For this video, I'm not going to suggest anything in particular. I'm just going to teach you how to set up the scenario, but you can change various different aspects about this. And of course, choose from any of the scenarios available. Now, the main thing is to go into mods and of course, add any mods that you deem important for the experience. Again, I'm not going to recommend anything, but feel free to get anything that you believe is quality of life or anything that will make the game more balanced. Because remember, you will essentially be playing alone with bots, or unless you get some people in to join your server by choosing a particular scenario and increasing the amount of players. Now, remember to set up a password if you don't want anyone else to join you alongside an admin password to actually modify the settings and add bots. Once you configure everything according to your personal preferences, to get the Game Master privileges, type #login. So in the global chat, type #login and then input your password, whatever it is that you set up when hosting the server. So after you input your login password here, you will find Game Master and you can access this menu. Now you will see all of the options to spawn bots. So the most straightforward way is to use the menu at the bottom of your screen and then just choose any of these infantry squads, teams that you would like to use, grenadiers, medical supports, defensive positions, and so on. You can assign them to different locations and you can see the entity browser to add various different entities, even headquarters, command posts, and so on. Like I said, for this video, I'm not going to go too much in depth. I simply wanted to showcase how you can start the Game Master mode to configure your troops and bots. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arma Reforger with bots. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.